In the cold silence of space, worlds orbit far beyond Earth. Some of these distant moons are far more than lifeless chunks of rock and ice drifting through the darkness. Hidden beneath frozen crusts and shrouded beneath alien atmospheres may lie vast oceans, complex chemistry, and perhaps even the ingredients necessary for life itself. For centuries, these moons appeared as tiny points of light through telescopes. But as spacecraft ventured deeper into the solar system, they revealed landscapes more extraordinary than anyone could have imagined. Our journey begins at one of the most promising places in the search for extraterrestrial life. Below, Europa appears deceptively simple, a brilliant white sphere covered in ice, reflecting sunlight like a giant cosmic mirror. At first glance, Europa looks frozen and lifeless, but appearances can be deceiving. As we descend toward the surface, Europa's defining features become visible. Long dark streaks crisscross the moon in every direction. These fractures, called lineae, stretch for thousands of kilometers across the icy crust. The environment here is incredibly harsh. Surface temperatures can plunge below -160 degrees Celsius. Radiation from Jupiter relentlessly bombards the moon, making the surface deadly to most known forms of life. Yet beneath that hostile exterior may exist one of the most habitable environments beyond Earth. On our own planet, life thrives around deep-sea hydrothermal vents without any sunlight whatsoever. If similar vents exist on Europa's ocean floor, they could provide both heat and nutrients for microbial ecosystems. For now, the secrets of its ocean remain locked beneath the ice, waiting to be uncovered. But Europa is only the beginning. Orbiting nearby is a world even larger, and in many ways, even more surprising. Emerging from Jupiter's shadow, Ganymede comes into view. This is no ordinary moon. In fact, Ganymede is the largest moon in the entire solar system. It is so massive that if it orbited the Sun directly, it could easily be classified as a planet. Beneath the frozen surface, researchers believe Ganymede may contain multiple layers of subsurface oceans sandwiched between sheets of ice. Instead of a single ocean like Europa, Ganymede could contain a complex stack of hidden water reservoirs buried deep underground. The moon's interior resembles a layered cake of rock, ice, and liquid water. Although Ganymede receives less attention than Europa in discussions about extraterrestrial life, its immense reserves of water make it one of the most intriguing worlds in the solar system. Standing here on its frozen plains, Jupiter would loom overhead as an enormous presence in the sky. Dozens of times larger than our moon appears from Earth. It's a reminder that these distant moons are not isolated worlds. They are part of a vast and interconnected system shaped by the gravity of a giant planet. But our next destination takes us far beyond Jupiter's realm. Orbiting Saturn is a moon unlike any other in the solar system. Welcome to Titan. Unlike most moons, Titan is wrapped in a thick orange atmosphere, so dense that for decades its surface remained completely hidden from view. Only when spacecraft arrived did this mysterious world begin to reveal its secrets. As we descend through the haze, an alien landscape emerges. Titan is the only world besides Earth known to have stable liquid on its surface. But here, the lakes, rivers, and seas are not made of water. They are composed of liquid methane and ethane. The temperatures are brutally cold, averaging around -179 degrees Celsius. Water ice is so hard in these conditions that it forms Titan's mountains and rocky terrain. Methane clouds drift through the sky, rain falls onto the surface, and rivers carve channels through the landscape. In many ways, Titan possesses a weather cycle remarkably similar to Earth's, despite being so incredibly different. Scientists also believe a vast ocean of liquid water may exist deep beneath Titan's icy crust. Combined with its rich organic chemistry, this has made Titan one of the most fascinating locations in the search for environments that could support life. Beneath Europa's ice, within Ganymede's hidden oceans, and under Titan's orange skies, answers may be waiting to some of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone? Can life exist in places we never imagined? As future missions continue exploring these remarkable worlds, we move one step closer to finding out. Until then, they remain silent sentinels in the darkness, orbiting giant planets far from Earth, guarding secrets that could change our understanding of life in the universe forever.